This short tutorial answers the query how to buy shares of Novo-Nordisk A/S SPONS ADR and walks through the practical steps on a broker platform. Novo-Nordisk is a global healthcare company focused on diabetes care and biopharmaceuticals. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker NVO, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker NVO to locate Novo-Nordisk A/S SPONS ADR. Make sure to select the NASDAQ listed result so you choose the correct share. On the asset page, review the brief company summary and the price chart to confirm the stock matches Novo-Nordisk. Check that the ticker shows NVO and the market reads NASDAQ to ensure it is the right instrument. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm before submitting. If the market is closed, the order will execute when trading reopens, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirmation. After the trade fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A gentle CTA, the eToro link, is in the description if you want to visit the platform for more information.